Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data security with Norton, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin enhancing your data security with Norton, first, visit the official Norton. Choose the right Norton product that fits your needs. After selecting your product, click on the Get Started button. Create a Norton account by entering your email address and a strong password. Once you have created your account, proceed to download the Norton software. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your device. Once installation is complete, open the Norton application. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier. Next, perform an initial scan of your device to check for any existing vulnerabilities. Choose the scan option from the dashboard. Wait for the scan to complete and review any issues detected. If issues are found, follow the prompts to resolve them. Now, navigate to the Settings menu to customize your security preferences. Enable features such as antivirus protection, firewall, and web protection. Consider activating the VPN for additional privacy while browsing. Regularly schedule scans by setting a convenient time for your routine checks. Stay updated on threats by ensuring the Norton software updates automatically. Make use of the Norton Password Manager to enhance your password security. Store and manage your passwords safely within the application. Finally, educate yourself on recognizing phishing attempts and suspicious activity online. By following these steps, you can significantly increase your data security with Norton. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.